New Mexico governor has reversed course and rescinded her carry ban. Welcome to another installment of the Connecticut Gun Bench. Today's video is brought to you by P.A.N. Firearms, LLC. P.A.N. Firearms, the NRA certification and multifaceted gun training. You can reach us at 203-300-6343 or use our website at www.panfirearmsllc.com. As always, there'll be a link in the description box below. And if you like my channel, like my content, and what I do here, you can support me with a link in the description box. Everything is appreciated. Let's talk about this. Now, this has been an ongoing saga that I've been covering pretty heavily because I find it to be a very big deal. But let's go back. New Mexico Governor Michelle Grisham issued a public health order banning the carrying of firearms in Bernalillo County, which the major city of Albuquerque sits in.
Other than a law enforcement officer or licensed security officer shall possess a firearm, either openly or concealed.
This, of course, set off a firestorm of reactions across the board.
Do not comply!
Tonight, protesters publicly carrying firearms, defying a 30-day ban by New Mexico's governor.
But then what happened? A lawsuit's filed immediately, and a temporary restraining order was granted by a judge appointed by Biden. We saw the backlash. Her police chiefs would not support it.
Torres joins a growing list of New Mexico law enforcement leaders speaking out against the order, including Bernalillo County Sheriff John Allen, APD Chief Harold Medina, Bernalillo County DA Sam Bregman, and the latest, the New Mexico Chiefs of Police Association.
We had what we would call traditional anti-gunners who basically came out against it, which I question because, like I said, I spoke about this in another video, the Overton window, where they're trying to shift the narrative. But two senators, John Kennedy and Tom Tillis, both wrote a letter to Merrick Garland stating that he needs to assert his authority in this matter to stop the governor from infringing on the rights of New Mexicans under the guise of a public health order. And it goes on and on. Well, all that pressure has caused her to reverse her position with this. So I want to bring this up here. Okay. New Mexico governor reverses course on gun or ban order amidst legal challenges, which she was going to lose anyway. The attorney general has already stated that he will not support her or support the state in that matter. But in recent turn of events, New Mexico Governor Michelle Grisham has backed down from her initial emergency public health order that had attempted to suspend the Second Amendment and carry rights throughout the state's most populated county and city. This decision was heavily influenced by a temporary restraining order issued by a federal court judge, David Urias, if I'm not mistaken, which hindered the enforcement of the governor's original ban. So, there it is. As per the new modifications, the suspension on carry rights have been lifted for Bernalillo County and the city of Albuquerque. However, this ban will still apply to parks or playgrounds where we know we've got high risk of kids and families, stated Grisham. Although the exact specifics of this amendment remain somewhat ambiguous, the governor held an hour-long press conference in an attempt to clarify her stance. And she did this in response to an 11-year-old boy being killed after, I believe it was a baseball game. And immediately it's, okay, your answer to criminal activity is to basically put a ban in place that criminals won't follow. But as I said, the initial firestorm was heavy and it came from all directions. And she felt the pressure and she has since then backed down. Once again, I'm saying that she did this for other reasons. I said this several times. I don't think this was necessarily about crime, but more so about control. And she did this. And I said that governors and leaders, mayors, what have you, across the country were watching this very closely. Because if she'd have gotten away with this, you could be absolutely assured that there'd be a wave of these kind of public health orders that then were infringements and are infringements on the Constitution. But that's, well, I would like to say that's the close of this issue with New Mexico, but we'll have to see what happens next. But there it is. She has backed down from her illegal public health order banning carry in the city of Albuquerque, which is the county of Bernalillo. But let me know what you think. As always, you can leave your comments in the comment section below. And as always, any statements of violence or statements that lead to violence will be removed. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're notified the next time a video goes live. I will see you on the next one. Peace.